What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Redfish Bluetail. We have a very dirty camera screen. Scratch that on for a second. Boom. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Redfish Bluetail. Gonna go chase a flood tide tonight. As you can see, this water's coming in and it's gonna be feeding this creek, kind of flooding that whole area back there. I'm actually gonna take the paddleboard tonight, just see if I can cover a little more ground. High tide's not till 9:30, which is actually dark. But I'm thinking between like 7:45 and about 8:45, I'm gonna have a window. So, gonna take the fly rod, gonna take the rod and reel, see what we can do. You guys stick around. Later. And yeah, there's that way. There we go. Yeah, it's moving in here pretty good. That little creek starts filling up that area back there. Guys, there's a redfish right here. I just saw them, so they're here. All right, they're cruising here now. Pretty cool to see that redfish. I saw the blue tail just kind of sticking out. I knew it wasn't a turtle. He's just working this bank, trying to find some bait. But as you can see right behind me right here, we're starting to get water in the flat. So I was on the other side of the island right over there, and I kind of went all the way around it, caught up with that creek or that river over there and caught some of the incoming this way. So I'm just trying to chase the water, really. We probably got another 45 minutes of daylight, or until the sun goes down, and then probably another hour total. So I'm gonna just keep going after it. Stick around, y'all. I'll tell you a good trick too for when the water's coming up is, like, now's the time you gotta turn your ears on, because you can't really see them, because if you look across, you really don't see a flat layer of water. I mean, I can see the water, but you don't see, the water's not level with the grass right now, so it's tough to see tails. But you can hear them hitting top water, and then because the water's so shallow, it's like much more explosive. So you just have to kind of like tune in and then go after it. Guys, I have a fish right. There. Woo, he came swimming right over there, guys. Came right around that corner. I just kept moving until I found water. What a gorgeous sunset too. This is a nice fish, man. Woo! Don't spit it, don't spit it. Oh. I hear you grunting, buddy. Look at that. Sun going behind those trees over there. You are gorgeous, bud. Let's get this out. You were barely hooked. What a beauty. Look at that. What a beauty. Look at that sun hitting you. You sweetie. All right, let's get you out of here. There you go, bud. See ya. All right, we'll pick that one off. Hopefully you could see him kind of come around that grass, or he kind of came around this way, and then he's just swimming, and he hit some bait. I saw him cast in front of him. I got him. There should be one in this pool right over here. I'm gonna go over there real quick, see what's happening, but I probably got to start heading back to the car here soon. see him. I probably need to get off this thing and walk because it's like scraping bottom. I'm probably spooking. I see him right over there. Oh, there's two fish. There's two fish. There's one in here and there's one on the back side of it. There's three fish. There's one right there. Look at this guy. Oh, geez. I got this guy here, one in there, one over there. This guy's leading me perfect. He's kind of going away from me with the wind. Oh, he swiped that. Whoa, that guy's massive. Bring this right in front of it. Oh man, what an eat. What an eat. And fight. All right, let's get this guy caught and released. Go get that other one. This guy's nice size too. Oh goodness, he saw me. Phew. Don't spook my other fish, buddy. Look at this guy. All right, fish number 2 on the night. Let's get this guy released. I got 2 more I can see. Oh. Look at him. He's right in front of me right here. Fish coming at me right here. I just released that one. I got this guy right here. Right in front of his face. Oh my god! Oh my god! What an eat! Holy shit! I just released that other one like a minute ago. I'm still in the same film. He just ran into me. Whew, these boys are fired up tonight. Look at this, man. I mean, this is the dream right here. This is it. Easy, bud. Come on. Here we are. There we are. Nope, can't go under there. He absolutely smoked that thing. Look at that football. Look at this thing. What is that parasite on him? Banana shrimp or something. All right, but let me see if I can't get this out of here. Oh man, you. Oop. That's how he just spit it. What's up, guys? So I had a small window and I smoked him. I got 3 of them, probably in like 12 minutes. Look at the size of this guy, to my armpit. Let me get him released real quick. Look at that blue tail. I mean, just look at that gorgeousness. There you go, buddy. He's right here. All right, guys, so I just kept chasing the water until I found some water. I mean, I'm actually in a different actual kind of creek system than I was over there. They kind of both fill the same areas, but my source I just kind of came to deeper water, and so these fish can easily get in here. Where I was back there, it was a long kind of winding way through a creek, but I'll have to go back and like look at the time on these GoPros, because I was in that pool over there. I caught the fish. I told you guys when I caught them that I saw one over here, got over here, hooked up to that one, saw 2 more when I was over here, hooked into that 3rd one, and it all happened in like minutes. I think I have 2 fish caught on the same video, and I just released that 2nd one and it was only 7 minutes long. That 3rd eat was insane. I'll get a slow-mo. I'll put the slow-mo in right here. Oh my God. 3 fish tonight. Woo! I don't know if you can tell, but they absolutely smashed this thing. Look where the weedless part is. It's over here. It should be on the hook, and it is completely bent back. They smoked that thing. All right, guys, I'm just gonna start working that way, because that's towards the car. The car's actually this way. I'm just gonna start working this way. I can still see in the sun, and you can also see swirls and ripples and XYZ. Whereas that way, you can't see anything right now. Could be lucky and get a 4th here. Ooh, there's some big movement back there. Some big movement. Oh, I got a fish, guys. I mean, can I make this 4 tonight? I'm tracking him. He's coming right at me. Right here. He's very tough to see, very tough to pick up. Oh, I'm on. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This one feels smaller. Oh, we got you wrapped up though. Catch them small out here too, y'all. Gone. I'm not a greedy man, but I'll definitely take a 4-fish flood tide 1.5 hour paddle. I mean, this has been nothing short of unbelievable. I've fished this flat multiple times, 0 fish, worked it hard, nothing. I guess I just kind of, everything just worked out right tonight. And man, I've had a bunch of skunked nights out there, a bunch of skunked nights. And I'll tell you what, for YouTube too, I get what you guys see is you guys see the good trips. You see the trips where I catch fish and do stuff. You don't see the 4 or 5 trips in between sometimes when there's just not much happening. You don't really want to see a guy just kind of throwing the line in the water. Maybe you do, I don't know. But man, what an epic night tonight. I'm so glad I came out. I questioned it all day today. I didn't think the tides were gonna be right, but I mean, look at this, floating away over there. But everything worked out perfect tonight. And I mean, I think that's 4 fish in like 20 minutes. That was unbelievable. I'm gonna keep pushing. If I get one more, let's get one more. Later.